for the adventure, champ?
Wow, look at the fields rushing by. And this corn is delicious.
I'm glad you're enjoying the journey.
Look, Papa! No seatbelts.
Welcome home. Mina Dalberga.
Now you look like a real village boy.
It tastes like
Sugar water. Cooking with fire?
that's dangerous and cool.
This is how we stay grounded, son.
It's so loud, Papa.
Get the bucket!
Even a leaky roof has a rhythm. I want to touch the clouds.
We don't see these in the city. Can we stay here forever? Look, everyone, the golden ocean.
It's breathtaking in the morning sun.
I'm thirsty.
We must keep going. We might find a well.
Look over there. Green.
An oasis! We made it!
Look, the well. We finally made it.
Success! What a magnificent harvest!
Hooray! We did it!
और आपने अभी तक सब्सक्राइब, लाइक और शेयर नहीं किया, मेहरबानी फरमाकर मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिए, क्योंकि मैं अपनी वीडियो में मोटिवेशनल और अच्छी बातें बताता हूं जो आपके बच्चों को मोटिवेट करेंगी। शुक्रिया।